Have you ever felt like your personal information is being used without your consent? It's a common concern, and one that's often related to credit reporting agencies. Today, we're going to dive into how to cancel your TransUnion Canada membership online. It's a simple process, but it's important to understand the implications before taking action. Understanding TransUnion Canada. Before we get into the cancellation process, let's briefly discuss what TransUnion Canada is. It's a credit reporting agency that collects and maintains information about your credit history. This information is used by lenders to assess your creditworthiness. While TransUnion Canada plays a crucial role in the financial system, there may be times when you decide to cancel your membership. Perhaps you're concerned about privacy, or maybe you're simply no longer using their services. Preparing for cancellation. Before you proceed with the cancellation, there are a few things you should consider. Access your account. Ensure you have access to your TransUnion Canada account. You'll need your username and password to initiate the cancellation process. Review your credit report. Take some time to review your credit report. This will help you identify any outstanding issues or disputes that you may need to address before canceling. Consider alternatives. If you're concerned about your credit score, explore alternative credit reporting agencies or credit monitoring services. Step-by-step guide to cancellation. Now, let's get to the main event, how to cancel your TransUnion Canada membership online. Log into your account. Go to the TransUnion Canada website and log into your account using your username and password. Locate the cancellation option. Look for a section labeled Account Settings or My Account. Within this section, you should find an option to cancel membership or something similar. Follow the instructions. Click on the cancellation option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to provide additional information or confirm your decision. Confirm cancellation. Once you've completed the necessary steps, review the information provided and confirm your cancellation. Additional considerations. While the online cancellation process is generally straightforward, there are a few additional factors to keep in mind. Cancellation fees. Some credit reporting agencies may charge a fee for canceling your membership. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of your TransUnion Canada account to see if there are any associated costs. Data retention. Even after you've canceled your membership, TransUnion Canada may retain your credit information for a certain period of time. This is due to legal requirements and for the purpose of fraud prevention. Alternative credit reporting agencies. If you're concerned about your credit score, consider using alternative credit reporting agencies like Equifax or Experian. These agencies may offer similar services to TransUnion Canada. Canceling your TransUnion Canada membership is a relatively simple process that can be completed online. However, it's important to understand the implications and take the necessary steps to protect your credit information. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can effectively cancel your membership and take control of your credit data. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.